got you. That was our
That
short
is
term.
not our spot. We ain't balling like that.
Listen, that was our short term. If we wanted to, no, I'm just playing. That was
No,
our
we
short
cannot
term
afford
spot.
that.
That was our short term spot.
That was our short term.
But
So,
we're gonna show y'all our real place here. Starting now, I'm gonna do a tour. But yo, stay tuned here. All right, y'all. So we are here in the lobby of our new apartment. I'll take y'all around here. We have 24/7 security. The doors are locked. Let's come in here. Got elevators. 3 different elevators here. If you come down here, we have a little social party room is what they call them. Now this is locked, so can't show you in there right now. But you come over here, got a bathroom on this side. Then you got the gym over here, which I can show you the answer to that. Give me a moment to get my key. So we all have the security fobs. Open that up. Bring it in. Look at this. So when I turn on the lights, and this here you'll see is the gym. Simple and gets the job done. Right here, take it back out. And I'll turn these lights back off. Now, I want to show you all the part that was like the selling point for my kids. The only reason why they wanted to move in here. So it's this play area. You come in here, put the lights on, and they just love this. This is their area. Got a ball pit, little tunnels, slide. Pretty cool, real cool. And it's inside, so on hot days or rainy days, we can then bring them in here, and they have been here pretty much every day. So let's leave out of here, turn the lights off. Administration office, another bathroom. And then I'm gonna show you all the next part, which is the pool. All right, so stepping off the elevator here into the swim area. Take y'all through. Boom, boom. You'll see here, oh, my hand was all in the way. There's a little pool area, little kitchen, some lounge areas. They're doing some cleaning here today. And you get a nice little terrace view. Cameras here also. This place has cameras like everywhere. And here's the kind of view off the pool. Really love our area because we're like near a lot of stuff. We chose to be in this area because of that. We wanted to walk. We wanted to be forced to walk, get that fitness. Pool, simple pool, not resort style, but it again gets the job done. I'll show you the other side here. Stepping over, I better not fall in this water. Okay, thank you, Lord. So yep, show y'all here. Other side. It's nice little area. All right, so now I'm going to show you all our actual apartment. So I'm walking back. So back here on the elevator going up to our place. I'm carrying some stuff too because we just got another desk as we're still setting up. But we want to show you all our apartment regardless. Excuse us. We're pretty much done. And this thing has a double lock on it. Plan on replacing this with some kind of electronic lock so we don't have to have a key. But welcome. Hit these lights on for you. Hit these lights for you, see? So this here is like, I guess, the first little lounge area. You see here, we made the use of every space we can add in here. Here is like these, like, so what I want to show you all here is like everything that, I'm gonna show you everything that was actually included. So all this furniture and these decorations were included. Everything like this furniture and this painting was included as well. Of course, the pictures we brought them and everything on top of it. One interesting thing we found here too is like for water, we kind of had to take it back. And we had to get these little water dispensers, electronic water dispensers from a company called Purissima. And it does like hot water and it does cold water as well. So we just kind of pay for them to deliver those. And there we go. So now here's a dining area. These also came with it, with the apartment. And it's our kitchen. Kind of show you. So pretty cool. Nice little chairs. Some more lighting. Now, one of the things we kind of, again, liked about this area too is like there's so much that we can walk to. You can kind of see down here. We kind of opted to not have a balcony. Our kids a while, but these windows have some type of like safety locks on them. So like it's not easy for a kid to open it. But this almost gives you the feeling like you have a balcony because you can kind of open this window, you know, sit here. So it's nice. It's nice. Close that bad boy back. So I'm gonna take you over to the other living area. So the TV was included in all the decor here, like all the brown, you know, TV stand and this thing under here. The rugs, these couches as well were included, and the side table. Now, right now I'm temporarily working here as I just got a desk. My wife's desk is already set up. I need to set my desk up, and then I will kind of turn this little corner to a workspace area for me. And just kind of walking around here. So, heading to the kitchen. Heading to the kitchen. All right, so look, so this is the kind of, all this was included. So I know some apartments, there's like partially furnished, semi-furnished, and then there's like furnished, like completely furnished. So for us, furnished, we did include these appliances. So there's the refrigerator. Now this right here threw me off because I thought this was like, you know, a filter water thing, or like, oh, it's gonna pull water, and it was not, which is why we ended up getting that thing over there for water, because we drink a lot of water. Here in Panama, everything's gas. So we have a gas stove. That thing is lighting up. Can't really see it on camera, but it's there. And the gas oven as well. One thing too, the microwave wasn't included, so that was kind of different for us. Not really, I mean, I guess at the place we moved from, it did have a microwave. Now, in the cabinets, we hadn't thought about this at first. We were like, oh, fully furnished does not mean plates and bowls and cups. So we did have to opt to purchase, like without opt, we had to purchase, you know, pots, pans, you know, different things for cooking utensils, knives, silverware, pretty much everything you can think of that you would need for a kitchen to operate. But what I like about this kitchen is there's a lot of storage. So it kind of makes the best use of the space. You know, there's more storage here, storage here. We have another window here, which is nice. So you can open this up, get a nice breeze. Or when you're cooking, you can let that smoke out or whatever air, you know, let it kind of air out. So another window. Lots of natural light here. So right now we're using the maid's room for storage. So we got suitcases galore in here. As you'll see, another window, and then we have some more water here. And this is the maid's room for the bathroom as well. So keep cleaning supplies here. It has like a sink, toilet, no shower. Nice and simple. Take y'all out here. Heading back again. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. So one thing you kind of see, and I'm sure you, if you've been watching like Panama videos and stuff, you'll see that they have these type of like ACs in here. So it's not central air. It's like these AC inverters. But man, I gotta tell you, these things, they cool down everything pretty quickly. But it also warms up quickly if you don't have it on. So this here is one of our bathrooms. This one is for the kids. It has a shower, everything in here for them. Yeah, definitely was a different for us moving into a you know, a condo or apartment, just because we were used to it. I mean, we had came from like a 4-bedroom with an office, 3 bathrooms with a 3-car garage. So this was a big change for us. So you see here the laundry room, like the infamous gas heater that had us out of our house here at night. But yeah, pretty cool. Got like this laundry was included, stackable full size laundry. Another thing we had to think about getting was an ironing board. Like, oh yeah, an ironing board anyway. A little area to kind of wash. So nice. Bring that, close that thing back up. So now I'm going to show you the kids' room. So we had them sharing a room, which they have been excited about. Now they went from not sharing rooms, but they almost always was in each other's rooms. So we're like, you know what? We got to save a little something, something, and we really want to consolidate and go to something smaller because we plan on kind of being out. But the spacing really works. So our daughter's bed, our son's bed, they got a little window as well. Lots of space, lots of natural light, I meant. And then they get this cool view. And it's really cool at night too. Now, for here in Panama, we've noticed that a lot of them, the closet spaces are kind of like these wardrobes. So we kind of have these where we're still organizing it because of some drawers, some shelves, places to hang. So they're sharing that. And we kind of purchased these here for now just to kind of store additional clothes for them. The AC. All right. And then our room. So this is our bedroom. Turn those lights on. So it came with the king size bed. Oh, and one thing I wanted to kind of note here. So this room did come with a queen size bed, but we wanted the kids to share rooms. So we actually ended up having the owner take that bed out, and we did have to purchase these beds. So we did have to pay for some furniture, which was interesting journey, figuring out where do you buy mattresses and bed, bed frames and things like that. But we ended up figuring it out. So we'll share and we'll drop some of those places. And again, back to the room, we turned this to a work area for my wife. And again, we had to make the use of the space. Again, we had an office originally, but we're just making it work. Now, this is the view off of our room. Take you in here. Some laundry. So they got some his and hers wardrobes. Got one on this side for my wife, one on this side for me. Show you this here. Kind of similar to the one in the kids' rooms. Got the shelving, place for hanging. And, again, kind of works out with the spacing. Well, it makes you really think about what do I need and what do I really want to put in here. So still getting that together. And then the bathroom. So this is a different change for us too, because we came from like a really big bathroom, double vanity and everything, huge walk-in showers and stuff. But we love to actually prefer, well, at least at this stage of our lives, we've been preferring the smaller space. So we're still getting this all together for the decor and everything, but we want to show you all into our apartment that we are living in for the time being on our first trip here and moving over to Panama. It has been a nice little journey. Now, we did opt for a 2-bedroom. Again, one, because we just want to simplify space and everything. Wanted less space to clean. We had that big old house, but man, it was getting annoying cleaning it. So thank y'all. Thank y'all so much for checking out our apartment. As we said, we're still getting everything together.
Yep.
But we're happy with it. We like it. Now in the next video, we're going to actually talk about what the rental process was like. What it was like looking for places, touring, and then negotiating the lease.
Yeah.
So we'll give you all some of the tips and some of the kind of the pitfalls we wish we would have avoided and stuff like that. So,
and actually not just the price, but actually the term. So.
Oh yeah, so what the price and the terms. All right, let's get into it. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.